A very pleasant morning to one and all. Hello guys, welcome to the digital education system of Sri Academy. This is the lecture for class 7th. As you know, your chapter 6 is continued, and yesterday I already taught you exercise 6A, and today I will teach you exercise 6B. In this chapter I will tell you how you multiply any algebraic term. And before starting this chapter, I also want to tell you so many important points related to algebra. So all of you be ready and be careful and listen with carefully. Okay. First is that what do you mean by algebraic term? Any real number with a noun term or alphabet are called algebraic term. Okay. What do you mean by like and unlike term? To algebraic term having same coefficient are called like term, and algebraic terms having different coefficient are called unlike term. Okay. What do you mean by algebraic expression? So having one or more than one algebraic term combined with plus or minus sign are called algebraic expression. What do you mean by equation? So two sides with equal sign in between are called equation. Next is that this is the recap of algebra. Okay, and I already told you. So next is that the rules of addition and subtraction. If the signs are same, add the number and answer the same sign as the number. Okay. If the sign is not shown on the first term, that is already be plus. Suppose that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and minus 2 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. This is the rules of only addition. And in the favor of subtraction, if the sign are different, subtract the smaller from the bigger and answer takes the sign of the bigger number. If the sign is not shown on the first term, then it is already be plus. Suppose that minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2 and 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Okay. Next term is that key multiplication and division rule. So for multiplication, plus multiply plus is equal to plus. Suppose that 2 multiple 2 is equal to 4. Minus multiple minus is equal to plus. Suppose that minus 2 multiple minus 2, so minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. Plus multiple minus is equal to minus. Suppose that 2 multiple minus 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, sign will be minus. Okay. And minus multiple plus is equal to minus. Suppose that minus 2 multiple 2 is equal to minus 4. And division rule is also same. Okay. So without taking too much time, I want to start your new chapter. Find each of the following product, means you do multiply 4a multiply 3a plus 7b. You multiply 4 3 the 12, a and a square, and plus 4 7 the 28, a and b, so AB. Okay. 12a square and plus 28ab. Okay. In the expanded form you write 4a multiple 3a plus 4a multiple 7b. Okay guys. Next is that 5a in bracket 6a minus 3b. You write expanded form, so 5a multiple 6a minus 5a multiple 3b. After that you multiply 5 6 are 30a square, a power 1, so a power 2 minus 5 3 are 15 a and b, 15ab. Okay. So answer is 30a square minus 15ab. Now question number 3rd. 9x square multiply 5x plus 7. So you write in expanded form, so 9x square multiple 5x plus 9x square multiple 7. After that you multiply 9 5 are 45, x power 2 and x power 1, so x power 3, and plus 9 7 are 63 x square. Okay. Answer is 45 x cube plus 63x square. Next question is that 2x square multiply 3x minus 4x square. You write 2x square multiple 3x minus 2x square multiple 4x square. After that you multiply to 2 3 is 6, x power 2 and x power 1 to x power 3 minus 2 4 is 8, x power 2 and x power 2 to x power 4. Answer is 6x square minus 8x 4. Okay. Now next question, 3 by 5 m square n multiply m plus n. You write 3 by 5 m square n multiply m and plus 3 by 5 m square n multiply 5n. Okay. You write 3 by 5 m power 2 and m power 1 to m power 3, n is ln to n plus 5 and 5 will be class to 3 m square and n power 1 and n power 1 to n power 2. Okay. Now next question, minus 17x square multiply 3x minus 4. You write minus 17x square multiple 3x and minus 17x square multiple minus 4. You do multiply 17 3 is 51 minus 51 x power 2 and x power 1 to x power 3 and minus plus 17 4 is 68 x power 2 means minus 51 x cube plus 68 x square. Okay guys. Now next question is that 7 by 2x square multiply 4 by 7x plus 2. You write into expanded form to 7 by 2x square multiply 4 by 7x plus 7 by 2x square multiply 2. You write 7 4 are, at first you class 2 and 4 to 2 2s are 4 and 7 and 7 to 1. Okay. So 1 2s are 2, x power 2 and x power 1 to x power 3 and 2 and 2 will be class to 7x square. Okay. Answer is 2x cube plus 7x square. All of you understand? Now next question is that 10a square multiple 0.1a minus 0.5b. Okay. You write into expanded form to 10a square multiply 0.1a minus 10a square multiple 0.5b. Okay. So 10a square and 0.1a you write ki 1 by 10a. Okay. And minus 10a square multiply 0.5b you write here ki 5 by 10b. After that your answer will be 10 and 10 will be class to 1, a power 2 and a power 1 to a power 3 minus 10 and 10 will be class to 5 a square b. A power a cube minus 5 a square b. Now next question. का बनावत है खुद. Now next question कि find the product a b a square plus b square and evaluate it for a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 by 2. You at first you write question कि ab a square plus b square and after that you multiply कि ab multiple a square plus ab multiple b square. You multiply a power 2 and a power 1 to a cube b and plus ab cube. You write the value a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 by 2. So a cube b plus ab cube. A means 2 power 3 multiple 1 by 2 plus 2 multiple 1 by 2 power 3 means 2 to the 4 to the 8 multiple 1 by 2 and plus 2 multiple 1 by 8. Okay. You class it ki 2 4 is 8 and plus 2 4 is 8 means 4 plus 1 by 4. You take the LCM of 1 and 4. So 16 plus 1 by 4 means 17 by 4. You convert it into the mixed fraction. Answer is 4 whole 1 by 4. Okay guys. So thank you and have a very wonderful day. All of you solve and revise these all question into your fair copy. If you have any problem, then you discuss on my cell phone number.